Sorry.
Oh, I just pushed it. I think he found all of his. Where's eggs? It's okay, let me get it. Those ones are brothers. You found
He's having a hard time getting him out.
Stephen, come here. Look right here. With his shovel.
Oh! Another one.
He's picking him up with
What's
his
he finding,
shovel.
Davis? Huh? What's he doing?
I'm finding eggs.
There's a predator.
I'm finding 2 eggs. I'm finding 2 eggs. I need 2 eggs.
See more? And you're far under there, huh? Oh, that one's 2 colors. Oh!
Let's hurry and find
Treasure.
all the eggs. Because at the end, there's probably a big prize. You want the big prize? Hurry and find the other eggs. Look! Stephen, right here. Stephen, right here. Right here, look. Pick it up. Whoa. Here, put all your eggs in here. Put that in here too. Look over here.
He's trying to get this.
Look in the seat.
There's
You cheater. Well, I want him to get his big prize. Look over here. Is there any more over here? You see one? Put it in there. Is there any more of his, Mom? No, we're in the fence line. That way? This way. This way. Let's go find.
Happy Easter, Andrew. Happy Easter.